Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just finished this eye tutorial for you guys. I did use the new Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is the Reina Del Caribe eyeshadow palette, the volume 1. This is the first initial launch for Alamar Cosmetics, and these are the eyeshadows here. This palette is seriously beautiful. It gives me very summery vibes. I love all the shadows in this palette. They are so pigmented, they blend out very nicely, and the foil shadows that you see on my lids right now are completely dry. I did not use Fix Plus or any type of setting spray to get this eyeshadow to pop. It is seriously high quality stuff. If you've been thinking about getting this palette, I would say go for it. You will not be disappointed by your purchase. It's beautiful, and I can't wait to create more looks with it for you guys. I love the eye look that I created today. The shadows were really easy to work with. I had very minimal fallout. I did use all the shadows in the palette, and there's really nothing bad I have to say about this palette. I feel like everybody thinks that YouTubers kiss ass to get on PR lists or anything. I am a small YouTuber. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just a makeup lover in general, and I really love this palette. I don't think I wasted my money on it at all. Everything that I use on my channel, I purchased with my own money, so I wouldn't recommend anything to you guys unless it was perfection. So I hope you guys enjoy this eye look. I really love the way it looks. It really speaks summer to me. Gabby, congratulations on your cosmetic line. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Trish. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that little ring bell notification so that you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. With all of that said, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.